Guess what I got at the Goodwill store, YouTubers? I got me a bowling trophy for $3.99. I had to pay top dollar, but it's very hard to find the metal ones anymore. And it gives you my pickup truck that I'm driving an art truck now, I guess. Got the Polish Falcon there, cheerleader up here on the hood. Got the angel here, the horny wrestler, and a plastic bowler here. And on the inside of the dash, we got Jumpin' Jesus, some dangling mirror art, and a giant spider. It's not easy being a fashion trendsetter, but I can do it. I'm up to the pressure. God bless the tubers. Drive happy.